All right, we're gonna do some integer practice. Might seem silly, like we did it. I mean, you do it in second and third grade, but you'll be surprised that you do all this elaborate problem. You spend a lot of time on it, and you'll get something wrong because of just simple addition or subtraction. So we all know 2 plus 2 equals 4. Boom. Okay, 4 minus 2. Okay, I'm not gonna do the change when it's that simple. Okay, but let me get to it. So 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay, this is where I make all my students show me on the test that they physically, when we have 4 minus a number, okay, what I mean by change is we can change this to a positive and change this to a negative. Change. Okay, you're gonna hear me say that so much, I'm gonna write it down. Change. Okay, you're gonna get sick of me here saying that. So once you change and you have a positive and a negative, you just combine. What I mean by combined is you subtract and take the sign of the bigger number. So 6 minus 4 is 2, and the sign of the bigger number, which is a negative because 6 is bigger than 4, so it's negative 2. Okay, right here, we already got to this point where it's change, where we have a positive and a negative. So what we do is subtract 22 minus 10 and take the sign of the bigger number. So 22 minus 10 is 12. The sign right here is obviously positive because it doesn't show a negative sign. Right here, we get straight back into it. 16 minus 20. Okay, without messing around trying to do this in our head, let's just go change. And that's negative 20 and 16 combined and take the sign of the bigger number. So we know 20 minus 16 is 4, and the bigger sign is negative because 20 is bigger than 16. Right here, 14 minus negative 7. Change. 14 plus 7 is 21. Okay, we don't have to, we're only changing, as you notice, negative signs. So when we get to the negative, if it's positive, we can just leave it alone and go for it. So negative 8 plus negative 2 plus negative 8. Okay, negative plus a negative, we stay a negative. Okay, and we just add them together, which is negative 10. This is what I'm talking about. If we have a negative and a negative, or negative in the middle, we always want to change the sign, and the next thing, change the sign. So negative 5 plus 5 essentially is 0. Okay, right here, what do? Change. So change. Okay, we have a negative 20 and a positive 17. When we have opposite, all we do is subtract them and take the sign of the bigger number. So 20, and we subtract by taking the larger number, just like we would do this to make it simple. 20 minus 17. My dog is, what are you doing? You're biting my shoelace. 20 minus 17 is 3, okay? And our sign is negative, or it's going to be negative because the 20 is bigger. Okay,